I have been noticing a trend across the hair world that people are putting a lot of attention into their hair, but very little attention into their scalp. The scalp is the foundation of our hair. It's literally where our hair grows from. You can't have nice flowers with bad soil. So today we're going to dive deep in the world of scalp care. Trust me, healthy hair starts with a healthy scalp. We'll be chatting all about the Malibu Scalp Wellness Remedy. I'll take you through the ins and outs of this, as well as chat through some scalp care secrets that you probably don't know about. If you're new here, my name is Barbara Delmonica. I'm the CEO of Curls Monthly, which is a curly hair subscription service where each month I send you 5+ of the best curly hair products in the world. In this month's mailer, we have the Malibu Scalp Therapy. So that's why this video is going to be all about scalp health. So if you're a Curls Monthly subscriber, make sure you say hi to me down below so I know that you're watching. And if you're not a Curls Monthly subscriber, I will link that in the caption below so you can go check it out. So let's talk about some fast facts of this Malibu Scalp Wellness Remedy product. Just like a lot of Malibu products, this is a little packet of crystals. So there's these crystals, you can maybe hear it, I'll put it near my mic. You mix with water and you can massage into your scalp. You can use it weekly to apply nutrients to your scalp that you maybe wouldn't already have. Inside there is an exclusive blend of vitamins and zinc, and it naturally moisturizes and invigorates the scalp. Soothe and moisturize your dry scalp, help restore manageability of your scalp. And as always, Malibu products are 100% vegan and cruelty-free and contain no harsh ingredients. So basically, what does this do? This is for somebody who has scalp issues. Maybe you struggle with itchiness or flakiness, or maybe overproduction of oils on your scalp. You're one of those people who say, I have to wash my scalp every single day because it gets really oily and greasy. I could never go a week or even 2 days without washing my hair. This is exactly what's going to help you with that, because it's going to add nutrients to your scalp that maybe your scalp isn't already producing. It's kind of like a vitamin for your scalp, you could say. So we know what the product says it does, but let's take a look at the ingredients inside of the product to see what it actually does formulation-wise. So the first ingredient is glucose, which is literally sugar. And also a big reason why it has that sort of sugary texture. Ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C. Vitamin C is going to massively help your collagen production and also reduce inflammation on the scalp. Next, we have sodium gluconate, which will help balance your pH levels. It's also a chelating agent, which means it's going to remove mineral buildup, so it's kind of like a clarifying shampoo, sort of all in one. Although it's not a shampoo, it's a treatment. Next, we have xanthan gum, which is in a lot of hair products and actually also food products. Thickens the product, especially when it's mixed with water, and it just in general helps water and oils to be able to blend together so they don't separate. We have zinc gluconate. This is a hair loss prevention ingredient. It also helps control oil, so there's that oil control thing there, and it's anti-inflammatory. It's also known to soothe dandruff, which I think is really cool because I know there's a lot of people who have dandruff. This product does not claim that it soothes dandruff, but there is an ingredient that does soothe dandruff, so you tell me. Panthenol, which contains vitamin B5, which will hydrate, soothe itchiness, and soothe flakiness. Betaine is an ingredient that protects your scalp. It also deeply hydrates your scalp. Niacin is vitamin B3, and that is anti-inflammatory and also is known to reduce dandruff. Last but not least, we have biotin. Biotin is so great for so many things, but specifically in this case, really great for actually thickening your hair and really just helping your scalp. So if you're wondering how to use this type of packet, if you use Malibu products before, you're probably pretty familiar with how the process goes. Basically, their instructions are to shampoo, rinse the shampoo out, and then pour the crystals onto your wet palm still in the shower. Rub your hands together, adding a little bit of that shower water to help dissolve the crystals. And that's gonna make like this nice little paste. You can then massage thoroughly into your scalp and definitely massage specifically on affected areas. Keep it on your scalp for about 5 to 7 minutes, shave your legs, do whatever you need to do in the shower. Rinse that off thoroughly and then apply your conditioner and rinse and then style your hair as normal. In general, I love Malibu products because they really focus on hair health first and foremost. We've had a lot of them in Curls Monthly throughout, especially this past year, and it's for a reason. People love them, they're really good, and they really do help with hair health. So let's talk about the importance of a healthy scalp first, and then I'm going to be teaching you some scalp care tips. Number one reason why you want to maintain a healthy scalp is for hair growth. A healthy scalp provides a perfect environment for your hair to grow. Like I said before, you can't have a healthy flower with poor soil. The next thing that really paying attention to scalp health will do is actually to help your hair strength. A healthy scalp ensures that your hair is getting all the nutrients it needs to be strong. And of course, a healthy scalp also will drastically change your hair appearance. I remember when I first started to actually shampoo correctly, I've talked about this on here before, and it made the biggest difference to my hair, let me tell you. If you're not sure if you're shampooing correctly or not, I'll link below my how to shampoo video. You definitely need to watch it. It's the foundation of all curly hair. And last but not least, really taking care of your scalp also helps prevent hair loss. I don't know a single person in this world who wants hair loss. So yes, you should take care of your scalp. So now that we know that we should take care of our scalp, let's talk about some tips to help our scalp out. Number one, cleansing, but specifically gentle cleansing. I am somebody who believes in the no sulfate rule. I don't have any harsh sulfates in any products that I use. And I think that is for a reason. Sulfates can sometimes strip your scalp of its natural oils, and that can lead to dryness over time. So when you pick a shampoo, make sure that it's sulfate free. In Curls Monthly, we always have sulfate-free shampoos, and that'll help you out with that. The next thing that can really help your scalp health is scalp massaging. It's like a little mini spa treatment for your scalp. It increases blood circulation, which can help stimulate hair growth. To do a scalp massage, you can either just use your fingertips. A lot of times before people will wash their hair, they'll actually get some oils on their hands and then massage their scalp with oils before they get into the shower as sort of like a pre-shampoo treatment. You can also have like a partner or like a mom massage your hair because that's even better. They also have like those scalp massaging things that you can use when you shampoo. Those are great. The third thing that you can do to really help your scalp is hydration. Keeping your scalp moisturized is essential. Think about your scalp just like your skin. If you don't moisturize your skin, it's going to get flaky, it's going to get itchy, all the things. That's exactly what's happening to your scalp. There are so many amazing scalp treatments out there. And of course, the Malibu Sea Scalp Wellness Therapy is literally perfect for this. So please, if you take anything away from this video, please just pay attention to your scalp. It's not that hard. It's so ingrained in a part of my daily routine. I just make sure that my scalp is healthy, mainly by just really paying attention to how I shampoo. I also never apply any products to my scalp unless it's shampoo. So conditioner never touches my scalp. Nothing ever touches my scalp besides shampoo and maybe a oil if I'm doing like a pre-poo treatment. It might seem like a small thing, but it can make a huge difference to the overall look and feel of your hair. Don't forget to incorporate these tips into your routine. I hope this video has helped you and give your scalp some extra love. Let me know in the comments if you have any scalp questions. See you next time.